First Warn 5 Weather Report, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta Dealerships.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. So it was a very warm Saturday afternoon, also breezy. Talk about some very warm high temperatures. We got to 91 degrees in McAllen today, 85 in Harlingen and Brownsville, 86 here in Weslaco. No records broken, but it's going to be warm again for tomorrow and really for the start of the work week. Not too bad right now. We'll have mostly cloudy skies for the overnight hours, and yes, there is a chance for some patchy fog. Temperatures right now, 69 degrees in Raymondville and Harlingen, lower 70s in Port Isabel and Brownsville, lower 70s in Edinburgh and McAllen, and mid-70s in Rio Grande City. The winds have come down just a bit, still a tad breezy right now. Winds out of the east to southeast between 3 to 14 miles an hour. There is still a chance for some patchy fog overnight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures are right around 70 at 8 a.m. After cloudy skies in the morning, we should see partly sunny skies for the afternoon. It will be windy and warm once again for tomorrow during the day, with temperatures in the lower 80s at noon and mid-80s at 5 p.m. We should see highs in the mid-80s, but some places will hit upper 80s, maybe even around 90 for tomorrow, especially out west. Here's the surface map. Winds continue from the southeast at this point. We have one front draped just south of San Antonio, but sadly, it is not reaching the valley. Instead, it's just going to fizzle out north of us. We will stay warm here for the rest of the weekend into the start of the work week, as the highs easily reach the 80s. We're going to have to wait a few more days for another front to come into the area. And look at the temperatures. Ahead of the front right now, 73 in McAllen and Laredo. Behind the front, much cooler, only 56 in San Antonio, 48 degrees in Austin, 52 in Longview, 53 in Dallas-Fort Worth, lower 50s as well in Midland, El Paso, Abilene. And look at that, only 38 degrees. We have 73 here in McAllen and 38, big difference up in the Texas Panhandle in Amarillo. So here is Future Track. We've lost the precipitation data, forecast data momentarily, but starting Wednesday and Thursday, there is a better chance for some showers and maybe some thunderstorms. So this first front should fizzle out north of us, so it stays warm, and also it's going to be windy for tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. High temperatures easily in the 80s, but then another front should arrive here in the valley by perhaps early Thursday morning. So ahead of it, we're going to put in a better chance of some showers and maybe some thunderstorms for Wednesday, especially Wednesday night and Thursday. At this point, we'll call for a 40% chance of some showers Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the models are disagreeing on how much cooler it's going to be behind that front. This front may actually stall out over the valley, but one model is calling for high temperatures in the 60s. The other one calling for temperatures in the 70s and 80s. So we're going to hedge the numbers right now and call for temperatures in the lower 80s for Thursday. It's still 5 days away, so things could change. But again, there is still a lot of uncertainty in the forecast for Thursday. In any case, it would be a brief cool down. The high temperature should be back in the upper 70s just in time for Friday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. There is a good chance for some sea fog on the water. Next tide is a low tide at 10:33 tonight, and the seas will be 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, mostly cloudy, a chance for some patchy overnight fog. It's going to be very mild with low temperatures in the upper 60s. Then for tomorrow, after clouds in the morning, partly sunny skies return for the afternoon. Once again, warm and windy with high temperatures in the mid-80s. Take a look at the winds. Tomorrow out of the south to southeast between 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting to 35. And here's that 7-day forecast. A warm start to the work week with high temperatures in the mid-80s on Monday, upper 80s on Tuesday. We'll have partly sunny skies on Monday, and it is windy. Then mostly cloudy and breezy on Tuesday with a high temperature of 87. On Wednesday and Thursday, we'll throw in a 40% chance of some showers. The coolest day at this point should be Thursday with high temperatures perhaps in the lower 70s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.